How to apply for a UK Ancestry Visa. Hi there, my name is Keelin Claffey and I am a solicitor at Latitude Law. I'll be talking about the requirements for the UK Ancestry Visa and how you might qualify for it. The UK Ancestry Visa allows citizens of Commonwealth countries, citizens of Zimbabwe, and persons with certain types of British nationality to live, work and study in the UK if they can prove that they have at least one grandparent who was born in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, on a British registered ship or aircraft, in the Channel Islands, the Isle of Man, or before the 31st of March 1922 in what is now known as the Republic of Ireland. You can claim UK ancestry if either you or your relevant parent were legally adopted, and you can also claim UK ancestry if your parents and or grandparents were not married. You cannot claim UK ancestry through step-parents unless they have legally adopted you. It is important that the adoption was effected through an adoption process recognised as valid for the purposes of UK law. This can be complicated if the adoption was effected overseas, so you should seek legal advice if you are unsure whether the adoption will be recognised in the UK. The UK Ancestry Visa does not extend to generations beyond your grandparents, meaning you will not qualify if earlier generations of your family were born in the UK, such as your great-grandparents. Unlike most immigration routes, the UK Ancestry Visa is open to people as young as 17 years old, which means you do not have to wait until you turn 18 to apply. However, if you are under 18 years of age, you will need parental consent in order to apply for this visa. You must also be willing and able to work in the UK when you apply for the visa, and you will need to provide proof of this with your application. This could include evidence of job offers from UK-based employers, registration with a recruitment agency in the UK, or a business plan if you intend to be self-employed. You will also need to satisfy the financial requirement by proving that you have enough money to support and accommodate yourself in the UK, ideally for at least 1 month when you apply. There is no specified sum of financial savings that you need in order to apply for the UK Ancestry Visa, but you run the risk of having the application refused if the decision maker who assesses your application cannot be satisfied that you will be able to afford your living costs in the UK for at least a month. This route does allow you to bring a dependent partner and children with you to the UK, so long as that child is under 18 years of age on the date when they make their initial application. And this route also leads to settlement after a period of continuous residence in the UK of 5 years. You can only make your initial application for the UK Ancestry Visa from outside of the UK, which means that you cannot switch into this immigration route if you are currently residing in the UK on a different immigration route. If you need to extend your period of leave on the UK Ancestry route because you do not qualify or do not wish to apply for settlement after 5 years, you can make your extension application from within the UK. If you have any questions about whether or not you qualify for UK Ancestry Visa, or if you simply have questions about the application process, please contact Latitude Law to see how we can help.